Today at GLOJAS, we have the patient came all the way from Japan to do a hair transplant.
I'm here to take a hair plant for my big forehead. When I was a child, like a 3 to 5 year old, my mom tied my hair up so strong and my forehead became like M-shaped.
Lowering hairline design.
I'm so excited for the surgery. I like this design. The surgery was no pain after 4 hours. It's a bit swollen now, but I'm so happy.
Today is exactly day 5 after the SMART FUE care, and today we're going to review the patient. It's already 5 days, today's day 5. Microscope is already out with the SMART FUE care. This is on the left side, this is in the front, this is on the right side. This is the design that patient wish to have.
Today is day 5 and I'm going back to Osaka, Japan with this new hairline. Thank you for Professor Dato Dr. JasG. Thank you, GLOJAS.